Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make parallax animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, welcome back, and in this video I will show how to make parallax animation. I have 3 Photoshop files. First, character, and art, and background. So first, select the 3 layers and go to click this checkbox for 3D layer. Okay, and let's create new camera. Right mouse, new and camera. Don't change any settings, click OK. So select this camera. I want to create again new null object for control movements. Let's select camera and right mouse, go to camera and create orbit null. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon. Clisation tool. Right now go to active camera. Let's click here, select view 1. And for create parallax, select this background layer, press P and move to back like this. Let's back to view camera and change view to views. Okay, select this background and move to back. We can see here our background layer. Let's move to back. Okay, and select this art. Let's press P. Also move to back. Okay, so select this character. Let's press P and move to back. Okay, so select this background. Let's change view 1 views and change scale. Select this background layer. Press S. Change scale like this. Okay, close scale. Select this art. Press S. Change scale also. Okay, let's move up. Close scale. Select this character, press S, change scale like this. Okay, let's move to down a little bit. So right now go to active camera, change view to 1. Okay, so right now we can make parallax with camera tool. Let's back to camera view and select this null object. Let's press P and make new path in keyframe. Go to 4 seconds or 5 seconds. Press N for select work area and let's zoom to like this. Okay, let's animation. Okay, that's good, not bad. So let's select this background layer, let's press P and move to back more. Let's hold shift, move to back and press S, change scale. Let's animation. Okay, not bad. And select this art, let's press P. Also hold shift, move to back like this. Press S, change scale and move to up. So let's see again animation. Okay, looks good. So let's make other scenes. Let's close settings and go to project, select this horror scene. Let's Ctrl D, again Ctrl D. Let's open horror scene 2, let's open composition. And let's select this orbit null, press P and close all keyframes. And let's zoom to like this and let's move to here, move to up. Okay, let's move to up a little bit like this and make new path in keyframe and move to left like this. Okay, go to 5 seconds and move to right. Let's see. Okay, let's go to last keyframe, move to left a little bit for slow animation. Okay, nice. So let's go to first second and move to right a little bit for very slow animation. Okay, not bad. And in this time, let's open camera options. Let's open here, camera options, and let's enable depth field. Click on. And change aperture 100, change blur levels 200. Okay, and we can use focus distance for depot field. Okay, let's zoom to here, change distance. Okay, let's say again. Okay, looks good. So let's back to scene 3, open computation, and select this orbit null. Let's press P, close keyframes, and let's zoom to scene like this. And let's move tab. Okay, let's make new pass in keyframe, go to 5 seconds, and let's move tab. Let's see, let's change quality quarter. Okay, this is very fast. Let's select the last keyframe, move to right for 10 seconds, select work area. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So let's go to here and create new keyframe. Select first keyframe, let's delete, and select this middle keyframe. Let's move to left for first second. Let's see. Okay, and select this camera. Let's open inside camera options. Again, let's enable depot field, click on, and change aperture 100 and blur levels 200, and change quality full. Let's change focus distance like this. Okay, that's good. And let's animation. Okay, not bad. So let's select this null object. Let's hold shift press R and make X, Y, and Z rotation. Go to last keyframe and let's play keyframes. Let's change rotation a little bit, and this rotation and X rotation. Let's see. Okay, not bad. I like it. So we can add some lights for more realistic scene. Let's try. Let's right mouse, new and light, and click OK. Let's select this light. Let's open inside, and let's try change light like this, and make Y rotation keyframe and X rotation, and go to last keyframe. Let's try change like this, and X rotation. Let's change. Okay, nice. So let's go to FX presets, search effect glow, and let's use glow for character layer and change some settings. Let's go to some keyframes here. Okay, let's play with settings for better glow. Okay, let's animation. Okay, not bad. I like it. So friends, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.